Hey friends, Karen Basket DIYer here. All right, you guys, so the company HTVRont reached out to me. You guys, I already use their products. I love their vinyl and it's super great. It's one of my favorites. But you guys, they sent me a whole bunch of super fun stuff. Some chameleon heat transfer vinyl, and I cannot wait to try that. Some of their clear, transparent transfer tape. Some of their fun mica powders. That is a really big bag of mica powders. Their metallic alcohol ink set, which I'm super excited about. Some of their cutting mats, and really excited about these because my cutting mats are all so worn out. Okay, so the product that I want to show you and highlight today is their tie-dye kit. I love tie-dye so much. Like as a kid, I remember my mom and I and my friends used to tie-dye all the time. When my kids were little, we were always tie-dyeing, and I made them wear matching tie-dye shirts for family photos and stuff, and they still to this day think that I'm really crazy for that. But anyways, this tie-dye kit is super packed, you guys. There are 20 colors in here. There's the bottles, and it comes with everything you need to tie-dye. Bags, this is like a tablecloth type thing, the 20 different dye powders, rubber bands, and funnels, and then of course the bottles, and they're all marked with the HTVRont logo. So yeah, I'm just really excited to tie-dye a shirt for you guys, and it may seem strange, but I'm going with a black and white tie-dye. I am so into black and white, hence the black and white decor behind me. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. So just stay tuned, follow along, and I'll walk you through the steps and show you how to use this awesome tie-dye kit from HTVRont. Okay, so I am just gonna go ahead and get this set up. I'm actually doing this in my dining room because my craft space is overloaded right now with glitter and other crazy stuff. So I'm just gonna, do it right here. Okay, this is one of the little drop cloth type things, tablecloth covers that they provided. So I'm gonna get this spread out. Gonna get one of the bottles out. And I told you earlier, I'm gonna be doing black. That may seem a little easy, but I love black and white so much, and I just wanna try a black tie-dye. I've never done just straight up black and white. So they have labels. This is just a whole sheet of labels for all your bottles. Put all your colors on there. So this is going to be for my black. Okay, and now then I'm gonna open up the packs of tie-dye, the powder. Nicely packaged here. Oh, that one does not have a label. Maybe there's something in the instructions I need to read. There's orange, deep red, verdant, gray, indigo, canyon, purple, sky blue, yellow cream, tasting green, magenta, black, that's the one I'm looking for, brown, red, brilliant blue, blue, golden, orange, and pink. So I need to figure out what this one is. I guess I could have narrowed it down had I been looking at this color code thingy here. So yeah, I'll figure out what that one is. So just gonna set these aside. And now then, let me read the instructions. Okay, so the instructions are really cool. They have like a lot of different ways to fold to come out with different patterns and all. You've got the bullseye, the spiral, ombre, crumpled. So there's a lot of different ways to fold it. I've got to decide which way I'm gonna do mine. I always liked the spiral look a lot, so maybe I'll just go for the spiral or the bullseye. That's fun. All right, so this says that spread out the tablecloth and I need to go wet the shirt that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna really quickly, I've got a white t-shirt. I actually stole it from my husband's drawer, so it has already been washed probably, you know, a dozen times or more. But anyways, I'm gonna go wet this and squeeze it out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the shirt is nice and wet. I see that it has some stains on it, but that's okay. Maybe the dye will cover it. Okay, so now it says to put the gloves on, and they provide gloves, more than one pair, so that's really nice. My hands are still kind of wet, so it could be tricky. Oh yeah, there's several pair, and there are like 3 or 4 packages that have several pair in them. Open the tie-dye bottle and set the funnel. Use a spoon to scoop out the powder and put it into the bottle. Okay, so they provided these little scoops. I'm gonna open my bottle. I am just gonna go step by step for you guys, okay? I should have opened this probably before putting my gloves on. Ouch. Okay, I'm probably gonna need to take the gloves off to open this. I think I tore it at the wrong spot. So I'm gonna grab some scissors. Okay, so I'm just using my scissors to open this, die packet up. Next, it says, a spoonful of powder is 4 grams. You can adjust the ratio of water to powder according to the color shade you want. If you need to tie-dye multiple colors, please clean the remaining powder off the funnel and keep the funnel dry. Otherwise, it may cause crossover colors, which, you know, we all know that. All right, so I want a pretty intense black color here. So I'm just going to do I'm gonna do 2 scoops. Yeah, goodness, it's really hard to decide. I'm not sure. Okay, right here it says for a light color, use 1 spoonful. For a normal color, use 2 spoonfuls. So I'm using 2, and they weren't quite full, so I'm just gonna add. Actually, you know what it looks like? I didn't get either one of those completely full. So I'm guessing that the whole bag is 2 scoops. All right, now then I need to mix water in the bottle with the powder and shake it. Use warm water to make the powder dissolve faster. Okay, so I need to keep this funnel dry until I can rinse it. I'm not gonna rinse it until later on. Let's see. Fill to the line with water and shake. Okay, so there's a water line here. I'm assuming that's gonna be the fullest. So I'm gonna run to my kitchen real quick. I went ahead and put the lid on so I can go do that, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and brought you into my kitchen, and I just filled the bottle with the black dye powder, and now then I'm going to add warm water. Fill this to the line. Right about there. And then I'm going to put the lid back on, and it comes with a little screw-on lid. So there's a hole, you know, there, but put the lid on and then shake it up. Just gonna turn it upside down and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. So now then, it is time to tie up my shirt. And my sweet little kitty cat has decided to jump up here and attempt to help me. She thinks she needs in on this action. I don't know where those are supposed to go. I think it should all go that way. Maybe, yeah. Like a little spiral cake. I'm sure the professional tie-dye people out there are laughing at me, but injured finger, wet tablecloth, wet shirt. It's not going so well because of me. Just putting my rubber bands all on here. I don't know how tight these have to be. I mean, I remember as a kid, we would just like get them so tight that you couldn't budge them. You have to like cut them off and they would pop and snap everywhere. But I don't think I have to have them that tight. I'm gonna find out. Okay, this, good, maybe? Okay, I really should put these gloves back on because I've already got it on my fingers. And they provide these really big, like Ziploc bags. I'm gonna go ahead and get one open so that it will be ready when I'm done. Okay, here goes. Taking my lid off, setting it aside, and then I'm just going to drip ink on. I don't know how much I need to do. Do I do the whole section? I feel like I've lost all my tie-dye skills. Ooh, I already love that it's black and white. I think maybe I turn it over. I really don't want to use all this black. It'd be kind of cool to make some other fun stuff. Okay. I think I'm stopping right there. Now then, I'm gonna put it in this bag like they recommend. And I'm going to, leave these gloves right here. I've got a paper towel here because I knew that was gonna happen. I'm gonna seal this up and myself and my soaking tie-dye shirt will see you in 24 hours. And I'll show you what the next step is. All right, so it has officially been 24 hours and now then I am going to take the shirt out of the bag and rinse it. I'm just following the instructions. It's gonna get kind of loud because I'm gonna have my water going and all, but I'm kind of excited to see how this shirt looks. I hope it's not just like a big black blob. About to find out. So here's what it looks like as of right now. Take these rubber bands off. Ooh, fun. Okay, I don't know how good of a spiral I got, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. Okay, and so let's see how it looks. I now am supposed to go and put it in the washing machine, hot water, and wash it with a little bit of a detergent. And then I will dry it and then I will model it for you. Okay friends, so here it is, my super easy tie-dye shirt made with the HTVRont tie-dye kit. Guys, I just followed the instructions step by step, as you saw, and this was the results. And you know, I need to work on my tie-dye folding skills, it looks like. I went for the spiral and it didn't, well, you can somewhat see it, but I have a feeling I'm going to be making a lot more tie-dye for my grandson, maybe my daughter and daughter-in-laws. I don't know, we'll see. But I can definitely incorporate those powders in my tumbler making as well. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out the description below. There will be links to the HTVRont Amazon store, discount codes, all that jazz. They're having a great sale. So anyways, just be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for watching.